Welcome to MVP Auto Review, and today we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated returns in the sports car world, the 2026 Mazda RX-7. For decades, the RX-7 has been a symbol of Japanese performance, rotary power, and pure driving passion. It built its reputation on lightweight handling, unique engineering, and a racing pedigree that cemented it as one of the most iconic cars to ever come out of Japan. Now, after years of speculation, rumors, and countless concepts, Mazda has finally revived the RX-7 for a new era, and the 2026 model is shaping up to be nothing short of legendary. Mazda has always had a strong emotional connection with the RX-7, and the brand knows how much weight the name carries among enthusiasts. That's why the new model doesn't just borrow the badge, it's a complete reimagining of what a modern sports car should be. At the heart of this machine lies what fans have been waiting for, a next-generation rotary engine. Mazda has spent years perfecting this new rotary technology, and in the 2026 RX-7, it's paired with hybrid assistance. This gives us the best of both worlds, an authentic rotary character with its high-revving thrill, and the efficiency and torque boost of electrification. The result is a powertrain that's expected to deliver over 450 horsepower, making it the most powerful RX-7 ever built. Performance numbers are equally jaw-dropping. The 2026 RX-7 can sprint from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, with a top speed nearing 190 miles per hour. Thanks to its lightweight construction, aerodynamic design, and near-perfect weight distribution, this car doesn't just rely on raw power. It's engineered for balance, agility, and driver engagement, the same core principles that made the original RX-7 such a legend. Mazda is using its advanced Sky Active chassis technology to ensure the car feels planted, precise, and rewarding whether you're on a winding mountain road or carving through corners on the track. Visually, the RX-7's design is unmistakably Mazda but with a futuristic edge. The flowing lines, aggressive stance, and long hood short deck proportions instantly remind you of its heritage, but everything has been sharpened for the modern era. Slim LED headlights, wide air intakes, and a sculpted body give the RX-7 a commanding presence, while the rear features a bold diffuser and sleek taillights that hint at both elegance and aggression. Mazda has struck a perfect balance between honoring the past and embracing the future, ensuring that this RX-7 will turn heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and the cabin continues the theme of driver-focused performance. The 2026 RX-7 is built with minimal distractions, putting the driver at the center of everything. A fully digital display provides real-time performance data, while the seating position is low and sporty, giving you that true cockpit feel. High-quality materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum elevate the interior, while a rotary-inspired start button pays homage to the car's unique heart. While luxury is present, the RX-7 makes it clear, this car is about driving above all else. Technology is seamlessly integrated without overwhelming the pure driving spirit. You get advanced driver assist features, but they stay in the background until needed, ensuring the RX-7 retains its analog charm. The infotainment system is modern, quick, and compatible with all major platforms, but Mazda has ensured it doesn't take away from the experience of rowing through gears, hearing the rotary sing, and feeling the road beneath you. Mazda also made sure that the RX-7 remains relatively attainable. While not a budget sports car, its pricing undercuts many European rivals, making it a serious contender for enthusiasts who want exotic performance without supercar-level costs. It slots above the Mix-5 Miata in Mazda's lineup but brings a completely different character, raw, powerful, and uncompromising in its mission to deliver thrills. The return of the RX-7 isn't just about nostalgia, it's about proving that sports cars still have a place in a world shifting toward crossovers, SUVs, and electrification. Mazda's decision to bring back a rotary-powered sports car in 2026 is bold, and it shows the brand's commitment to passion-driven engineering. For enthusiasts, this isn't just another car release, it's a moment in history, a continuation of a legacy that began decades ago. The 2026 Mazda RX-7 is not just a revival, it's a revolution. It blends heritage with cutting-edge innovation, and it does so in a way that feels authentic. From its stunning design to its thrilling rotary hybrid powertrain, from its lightweight handling to its immersive cockpit, everything about this car screams driving excitement. If you've been waiting for Mazda to bring back the magic, the wait is finally over. The RX-7 is back, and it's better than ever. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2026 Mazda RX-7. This has been MVP Auto Review, And if you're as excited about the return of this legend as we are, stay tuned because the road ahead for Mazda's rotary beast looks more thrilling than ever.